welcome to my YouTube channel. And if you are just joining my YouTube channel for the first time, please subscribe, and if you need other content, also drop a comment. Alright, I'm going to be teaching us how to make this design from scratch to finish using the app called Canva. Okay, here's the app, and you can download it into your phone, and most part of it, it's free. And of course, I made that design using the free version. So here we are in the Canva app. There are a list of pre-designed stuff, so you could just step right into it and then just edit. Okay, they're gonna make your designs effortless. Yeah, some of it are paid and while some are free. But today's video, we're gonna try designing from scratch, not using a template, but I'll advise you make use of a template most of the times. Alright, these are recent stuff I've done using the Canva app, but today we're going to start off with a new one. So I click on the plus button right here, or the plus icon. I could choose to customize, or I choose any of the sizes here and stuff, but let's go with the logo size. Okay, it loads right up, and here we have our layout for design and a few tools we can make use of. So to explore the tools you have to click on the plus sign down here. Okay, and I want to start with adding an image to this design. Okay, most of the times you could download image and stuff like that. You could get the image from here. We have the pro. For when you see pro on your image, you know it's for the pro version, and the ones without pro are for the free version. But for the purpose of this design, I made my own downloads. Alright, so I'm gonna go get it. So I click on upload, and I want to upload images. So we're already on images here, and we have videos and audio and all of that. So I'm going for the image. Now these are images I already uploaded previously. I'm going to click on the upload media here. It takes me to my file, and then I search for where I kept my files, wherever I kept it, but here is it. I downloaded it from my browser before I started the design. Okay, select, then it loads up here. Here we go. So I select. Now I want to make a design for a burger business. Alright, so alright, now we have it spread all over my screen. I can still adjust it wherever way I want, but I think this is just perfect for the purpose of this. So now we have this. The next I want to do is add an element. Let's say I want to add a square. So I click on the add button, and then on elements. Okay, on elements here I select a square, and then I drag it, fill it all over the place. Right. Ooh, it just destroyed the design. Okay, so let's change the color here. Change the color to black. Right, black. So I want to see what is still behind, right? So I still scroll over here till I find transparency. So I drag it until I can see what's behind. Okay, just to the right amount. Here we have it. Okay, I love it like this. So I want to start adding my texts and all of that. So I click on the plus button. Told you everything you want for a design is here. Yes, so I waited for it to load up, and then I click on the add header button. I select, and then what would I say? Well, that's a hand, but I have to change the color to something light. So I scroll till I find color, and then I choose white. Right, I want to add my next text, so I click on the add button, and then I still go for, yeah, just add another heading. Now we have our hamburger. The next we're gonna add and elements. I told you this app has a lot of things to offer. Okay, you just have to know how to look for them. So this is what I want right now. And then I reduce the transparency. Okay, that's about okay. Now I add a write-up on it. So come to text and I'm going to select add subheading because what I want to write it's really something small. Move it up here. And don't forget, you could zoom into your design to have a better view of whatever it is you're doing. Okay. And you could actually change the font. You could change the font to whatever you want, whichever font you want. You have a lot of free fonts here you could make use of. And anyone you find with a crown means it's a paid font. So do yourself the favor of looking for free font that actually does the job. Alright, I think I like this one. There we go, free delivery. I'm gonna have to add that in so I can look at what I'm doing. Change the fonts to, and don't forget, a good design shouldn't have a lot of fonts in it. Try maintaining as much as you're tempted to make use of 1001 fonts. Make use of all the fonts at your disposal. Please make use of just few fonts that you think are nice for the design. You could add more, free delivery anywhere in blah blah blah, but for the purpose of this, I'm going to keep it that simple. Okay, so I add a different text. I'm using this. I'm going to change the fonts. I need a cursive font for this. I choose a color. Okay, our design is coming out pretty nice, right? Okay, so let's leave a phone number or something, right? Okay, it's looking really dark. All right, so we're gonna have to work on that. And then the fonts, we're gonna have to work on that as well. Let's make use of a font we've been using all this time. I'm going to reduce the transparency a little. Not like you must have to, it's just a way of styling your design to fit into what you want. Now I'm going to be needing an icon, alright? And one of the things I told you is this app is fully packed for that. Okay, let's go. Elements. Let's search. Phone. Okay, so we have different phones here. Like I told you before, the ones with Pro means paid version. The ones without that are the free version. So using the free version, I click on this. Voila, it comes up. I change the color and reduce the transparency. Trying to make matching content. You have to make your design always match. Okay, looking alike, so they make much sense. Now the full design is ready, but I could just decide to make some other adjustment, right? So let's go. Let's go for lines. Alright, so we have our lines here. Let's see what this will give me. So here we are. Our burger design is ready. Alright, so Now I'm done. I just have to click on the save, and that's it. You can find it on your cell phone. All right, thanks for watching to the end. Do like and drop a comment, okay, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, catch ya.